Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful.
Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Love Kisses 99. Happy New Year. I'm coming to you with my first video of 2025. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. We're going to get into this video really quick. It's one of the easiest styles that I've ever really had. Now I just have my brush and a comb. That's it. I don't really think we're going to need much more than that. So I decided let me just go ahead and show you. It's a little bit different. The color's different for me. But I wanted to I'm trying to get to showing you things that are just different. So in the box we have the bag that you can store your wig in. We have a melting band in case you need it. We have a little business card. And we have, this is a little bit of, it's like a fiber that you can use under the part in your wig just to make it match your skin. And then we have these little tags and wig caps. Wig caps really are pretty much standard. They come usually with every wig that you get. But we're just going to take this and put it aside so I can show you this new baby from Luvme Hair. Now she is a gray, a salt and pepper basically, so that you can definitely check her out. And I'm going to put all the links and all that stuff in the information area. This is the Boss Vibe Salt and Pepper, so definitely check that out. Now on the inside, I'm just going to show you, it's pretty much standard as I stated. There's a comb in the back, a comb on each side, as well as the adjustable clips in the back. And we have the adjustable band. These are perfect to make your wig stay put when you put it on. I'm just adjusting those clips a little bit so that we'll be able to put her on and I can show you what she looks like. She really is a cute style. The gray for me takes a little bit of getting used to because you know I like black hair, but the gray really is kind of cute. I say it's basically salt and pepper. So now we're just going to put this baby on. The part in the wig is standard and you can't really move it around. It's on the left hand side and that's the way it is on the inside. So yeah, she's super easy. I'm just adjusting her a little bit around, so it's laying where the perimeter of my hair is. So yeah, just something super easy. She already comes styled and curled, so you don't have to do much to her. Definitely one of those put on and go, something super easy with not a lot of work to do. I don't really want to be bothered with doing a lot of work with a wig because I just want to put the thing on and get on out the door. And these wigs from Luvme Hair are definitely great for that. But yeah, here she is. She's all already layered. She's really a cutie and I didn't really have to do much to her. Now I would say if you want to use some wig spray around the perimeter and put the melting band on, melting spray works perfectly for that. Then that way you don't have to worry too much about that perimeter. But yeah, here she is. Very, very easy, very simple. And if you want to bring the front down a little bit, you can definitely curl her because she is human hair. So you can bring it down a little bit if you want. But yeah, here she is. And let me show you the back. She is perfectly layered back there. You don't have to do any real work to this one. And I love that because really we're all kind of just getting back to work after the holidays. And if you want your hair to be laid without putting in a lot of work, this wig will definitely do it for you. But yeah, she's super easy, super snazzy. She's the Boss Vibe Salt and Pepper Layered Bob / Body Wave Glueless Pre-Cut Minimalist Lace Gray Wig. And you wouldn't really want to pull it back because right there in the front on each side, it's just sewn down. The hair is just sewn right there. So you don't really have to do anything to her. Just throw her on and get on out the door. She really is super cute. Now I'm going to check back and see if they have this bob in black because I think I'd like it in black as well. So definitely check it out when you have an opportunity. And again, I like things that are easy and simple. I don't want to have to put in a whole lot of work trying to style my hair before I get out the door. And she does have a little bit of swing to her. And I really do love that. So, and that's because of the layers. She really is one of those put on and go, get out the door. Yeah. All the information will be down in the information area, including a direct link to this wig and a coupon code that I got for you guys. So definitely check out Love Me Hair when you have an opportunity, and just look around. I'll put a link to the general website because I have a lot of wigs from Love Me Hair. Some that I reviewed and received, and a lot of them I paid for myself because I like them just that much. So yeah, definitely check them out when you have an opportunity. And yeah, this is the Boss Vibe Salt and Pepper. Something very mature, very cute. So again, everything will be down in the information area. And I'm hoping you guys have an absolutely awesome evening. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.